How to enable or disable restricted mode on TikTok.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Talks. Today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable restricted mode on TikTok. Let's dive right in. First, make sure to open TikTok app and log into your account. Now tap on the bottom right corner to go to your profile. Now tap the three horizontal lines on the top right corner and tap Settings and Privacy. Now find Content Preferences on Content and Display and tap on it. There you can see option of Restricted Mode. Tap on it and find the option to turn on or turn off. Give the reason on why you're turning on or turning off the restricted mode. You'd then be asked to set a passcode in order to turn restricted mode. When you are disabling the restricted mode, however, you'd be asked to enter the same passcode. After you're done with all the steps, your restricted mode is either enabled or disabled. Voila, that's it. That is how you turn on or turn off your disabled mode. If you like our content, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and if you like to see similar kind of tech content, subscribe to our channel.